Technic Paw says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can activate the mode with the new Panasonic Android TV 2021. How this works exactly, what it is, you will find out after the intro. Like many other manufacturers, Panasonic also has a hotel mode where you can limit and limit. We have created different instructions for you here on the channel, this time with the new Android. From Panasonic. Panasonic is now also based on Android TV like other manufacturers. And here the hotel menu is a little different this time. That's why we want to show you how you can the whole thing. But first of all, what is a hotel menu? In the hotel menu you can lock many things so that the guest in the hotel cannot change anything. Otherwise, the operator has to set everything again every time after the guest has checked out. And so you can lock everything here and can also limit many things like the volume. And when you've done that, you can save the TV or the settings to a USB stick and go to the next TV. So on and clone the TV. But enough talk, let's activate the hotel mode and we have to go to the device. With the previous models, you had to hold the volume minus on the device and press the AV or input. Three times in a row. With the Android model, the whole thing works a little differently. Here you have to press the minus button on the device briefly and then quickly press the input. 3 times in a row. And we'll show you now. And this menu or this menu item, hotel mode settings, already appears. And here you can now set everything. You switch to the hotel mode settings and here there are now different points. First we select switch off. Here you can set standard, always on or off. In other words, standard is normal switching on. Here he is always on the TV or here you cannot switch it on at all. So back. We select quick start. You can set here that the TV starts faster. Yes or no. Then there is reset account registration. If we go in here, then we can set, i.e. if you have switched off the TV, that the account is reset. I.e. the Google account. The next point is the apps. Here we go in and here you can deactivate or activate various apps. In other words, here you can set whether the guest or the one who has the TV in use can call this. Yes or no. And here are different apps and you can activate or deactivate them. If I say, for example, I want to activate YouTube here, then I click on it and say activate. And the app is already activated. Go back again. Then there is a preset signal input. Here I go on it. Here I can then set which signal the TV should start with. With a transmitter, with an external or with an app. Back. Preset maximum volume. That means here you can set what volume the TV should switch on and what the maximum volume should. Back again. Operating options, that is, if we go in here, you can now set whether you want to lock the buttons, the device or the remote control. Or in general, the operation of the TV device is not allowed. Let's go back again. Quick settings. Here we click on it. There I can activate or deactivate it. And that's it. That means, if you have set everything up and then want to have the TV in operation or want to on the hotel mode, then you just click on switch on hotel mode. The TV starts again by pressing OK and you have already made the changes. To deactivate the whole thing, do it again. We'll show you that too. So if you switch that on, the TV will restart and the changes will be effective here. The TV has restarted here. That means we have now activated the hotel mode and the changes have now become effective. But if we want to switch back to normal operation, i.e. to TV operation, then we have to do the thing again. That is, go back to the TV, press the volume minus once briefly and the input button 3 times. And then we can switch back to normal TV operation. And I'm doing that now. And here we have this point now. Back to normal operating mode. I select that here. Confirm the whole thing again. And so I have deactivated the hotel mode again. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Technic Boss says thank you for watching and goodbye.